Hey everyone, it's Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we're actually doing a bit of a sneaky. So LCS has, this is an LCS unboxing in case you hadn't realised. And we had to send all their stuff back to them because they were getting a bit impatient. So I nicked some stuff out of there so we could do a quiet unboxing on it. Some of the stuff you've seen before, and I grabbed one of these just to highlight, because the last time we did this and we highlighted this, I didn't do a very good job of it. So we're going to see if I can do a proper job this time. So these are produced for the Perth Mint, and they are, if I get it around the right way, they are the display boxes for your coins, for your 1 ounce silver coins. So you can fit the Bullion 1 ounce Lunar in here. You can fit the Gilded, the coloured. Don't know about the high relief. I bet the high relief doesn't go in here. But the others in the series all would. So it's got this beautiful matting on top. It's got the pouch on the back for your certificates. And we've just got someone blazing through in the background. And then inside here, you've actually got inserts for your coins. So you don't take them out of the capsule, but if you've got a Gilded coin or one of the Bullion coins, you can pop it out of the presentation box if they're coming in that, and then you slot them in there, and it's obviously got the 12 for the full series. So these are a great way to display your and to keep secure your Lunar series. Whether you're collecting the Bullion, the Proof, that was the one I didn't mention, the Proof, the coloured or the Gilded, they all go in here really nicely. So hopefully I've done a better job of it this time and not confused everyone like I did last time. All right, so on the quiet, they've also got, this has just been released. This is part of the Simpsons series for all you Simpson buffs. So this is the next one in their release. And this one here, actually I might take it right out of the box. It's actually the Bart. And it's a high relief, so you've got that kind of concave look with Bart in the background, and it just pops out because of the concave. They can actually almost make it that three-dimensional look to it. And they come in this groovy little magnetic case, if I can get that off, and the coin itself is cased as well. So you've got that, and it's a 2 ounce, so it's nice, thick and chunky. And it goes back in like that, and then that sits on top, and it displays like that. So they're a beautiful coin, and a great display. So that's the next in the Simpsons series, and just as a heads up, they're just releasing, and I believe we've just about to take delivery of the next in their Bullion series, their 1 ounce, which is the Marge and Maggie. So keep your eye out for that, because that one will be red hot. What else did I nick out of there? Oh, that's right. So these are the Dreaming Down Under PNCs. So these are the latest ones out. So this is obviously the baby Wombat and the Tassie Devil. They're getting some fun stuff down there. Alrighty. So that will go with the others in the series. Now we've all seen the new release of the 007 series. They finally managed to release the next one. So this is the Diamonds Are Forever release from the Perth Mint. That's their coin there. So it comes in a great little box like that. I love the way they present them. They're just stunning. Alrighty. Now the next two are la creme de la creme. I'll just get these out of the way for now. So this is, now these are all currently, don't get too excited. I have a feeling that these may be all sold out, but if they're not, wherever you can find them, grab them, because they will be red hot. So these are the beautiful 2 ounce silver Gilded Kookaburra. And this was got to be one of my favourite releases. So Gilded means it's got that gold in there. Now don't get excited about the gold. It is literally spray painted on. So it's not thick. You're not buying, you're not paying extra for the gold or anything like that, because there's really not much there. But you're getting a stunning coin. And they've done the concave coin face, so you've got that high relief, three-dimensional Kookaburra popping out of it. And you can see the detail in there, and it's really brought out by the gold. But the thing I love most about this is that they've actually gilded the rim. So it's a silver coin, and they've gilded the rim up. So it just looks fantastic. Very limited production. I think the release is 500. Let me just check that. Sorry, 1,000. There's no more than 1,000 produced of these. And like I said, they are red hot property. Go to littlecoinshop.com.au. If they've got one there, grab it. If they haven't, hunt around, get it wherever you can, because this will be hot property, this one. And you'll see them going up in value as you're ordering it, pretty much. Now, the last one. This has got to be a fave. This is the Kilo. Now, don't get too excited at Bullion, guys. This is the Kilo Tiger, but it's their Privy Mark one. So that's the box that it comes in. Hang on, Rubes. Just focus on that one. Show the box, and I'll go and grab my knife, which I'll put somewhere. Right here. So that's part of the design that they've done on all of the Lunar boxes. And if you join them all together, it's actually a big motif, a big story of the of how the lunar calendar came about. All right, let's see if we can get into this one. So with the Perth Mint Kilo coins, I actually separate them from their packaging, because in any movement in transit would just destroy the packaging. So they come like this. They pop out. Now this is beautiful. I love what they've done with this one. So not a huge fan of the silver tiger design until they colour it. And then the colouring of it just absolutely brings out the detail. And in a Kilo coin, it really is stunning. So you can see there it's mum and baby, and it's got the Chinese symbol is actually gold plated. Again, don't get excited about the gold content, because it really will be just minuscule. But just the whole design, you get the heft of that Kilo coin with that coloured design in it, and they're a very limited production as well. So again, if this type of thing floats your boat, grab it sooner rather than later, because once they're gone, you won't see them again. They will disappear into the system. And that was the whole of their delivery. I mean, obviously it was a lot more in numbers, but that was me sampling out the good stuff. So yeah, grab these while you can, particularly the Kookaburra, the 2-ounce Kookaburra. They're incredibly limited. You need to grab them. If you're interested in them, grab them now, because they will disappear if they haven't already. The same with the Kilo Tiger. The other ones are good fun. These make great, presents for overseas and that type of stuff, if you want to send them overseas. And who can go past the Simpsons? Let's be honest. And again, the Simpsons is a very limited production. I possibly didn't mention that at the time. So that's it. That's a sneaky preview of the latest Perth releases and what LCS has got in the Little Coin Shop. If you're interested in them, go to littlecoinshop.com.au, have a hunt around and see what they've got there. If you can't find what you're after, you can actually contact us through the 1300 84 84 10 number, which I know is a Bullion Now number. But if you contact them through there, Sylvia can pass your message on through to Little Coin Shop, and they'll be able to help you there. And as far as I'm aware, unless Ruben's going to correct me, that's it for this one, for the sneaky viewing of LCS. And we'll talk again next time. See ya.